Still using basic soldering stations for PCB repair? Let's compare regular soldering stations with the AIFEN A902PRO. First, power output. Typical stations offer 60 to 120 watts. AIFEN A902PRO delivers a massive 450 watts. Regular stations heat up slowly, wasting your time. AIFEN A902PRO heats rapidly for instant productivity. Most stations support only one handle at a time. AIFEN A902PRO features dual handles, used simultaneously. Standard models often lack precise temperature control. AIFEN A902PRO offers digital temperature adjustment, 100 degrees to 450 degrees. Regular stations can't store your preferred settings. AIFEN A902PRO includes memory storage for quick recall. Other stations come with limited or generic tips. AIFEN A902PRO includes 6 specialized tips, 3 per handle. Most basic units only fit one tip type. AIFEN A902PRO supports C115, C210, and C245 tips. Handle comfort is often overlooked in cheaper models. AIFEN A902PRO features ergonomic handles with temp controls. Cleaning accessories are rarely included with regular stations. AIFEN A902PRO comes with integrated cleaning compartments. Adjustability is limited on standard soldering stations. AIFEN A902PRO's double bracket adjusts angles up or down. Basic stations lack independent handle operation. AIFEN A902PRO allows each handle to be closed independently. Other stations may not offer anti-splash protection. AIFEN A902PRO features anti-splash and anti-wash board design. Regular units often lack standby temperature options. AIFEN A902PRO provides 6 standby temperature settings. Standard soldering stations are not future-proof. AIFEN A902PRO is the newest 2025 model. Compatibility is often an issue with older stations. AIFEN A902PRO works with C115, C210, C245, and C470. Most stations don't offer direct manufacturer support. AIFEN A902PRO buyers get genuine Sugon brand support. Troubleshooting is difficult with generic products. AIFEN A902PRO offers clear support guidelines for issues. Let's see the difference visually side by side. AIFEN A902PRO, digital display, dual handles, pro build. Regular station, single handle, analog dial, basic design. Summary: AIFEN A902PRO is faster, smarter, more versatile. Upgrade your repair station. Choose AIFEN A902PRO today. Order now on AliExpress for the latest 2025 model